Human, would you like to throw an entire slice of bread, please?
Okay.
Don't walk about in your roller skates.
They're all coming. Oh God. The funny bit. Oh God. Okay, I'm going to throw them off.
There we go. Okay. Then. There we go.
This is my big army. Salute!
This is the magic of seagulls.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
Alright, let's see if we can get them to do it in the air. Nope. Oh, they're starting to fly a bit though.
He just tried to steal the puppy.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you had to run away with it.
There we go.
Magical seagulls!
Come on, we still have bread. They're calling out to us. Look, they're crowding around. They know we have more food.
What the hell?
Oh, there we go. There we
They're
go.
so close!
Yeah, I know. We have food. Hello.
Who wants to get that piece of bread?
Alright.
Anyone?
No, they don't have the balls. Oh, God. There you go. Suck on that. Up. Casey, don't with your roller skates, okay? No, get behind the fence now. Behind the fence. Just ignore it. Don't pay attention. Look at all these fucking cucks. Here you go. We can throw at the same time. Or you can just take both, whatever.
Oh, here you go, here you go.
It's alright, you get two. 3, 2, 1, throw. There we go. Oh, the swans are getting involved now.
Oh, God. Make sure seagulls don't get aggressive.
I'll let you throw the rest. But, yeah. Oh, they found a little bit.
Oh, no.
Casey, why did you drop that?
I don't know.
Be careful.
I nearly hit him.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, it's in the water.
Finally.
Oh, the swans are coming. The literal tanks. Alright, let me throw the last one.
Yes!
Swan. There you go.
There we go. Looks like it's pregnant.
Yes.
It's so fat.
And there we go. How to waste an entire slice of bread on seagulls.
Yeah.
Well, loaf.
Yeah, loaf.
Yeah. Oh, they just knocked.
Now they're just fighting.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Wait, what's going on the boat? What wants to go on the boat over there?
Oh yeah, they do.
Imagine if a swan went in the swan boat. That would be funny.
Yeah, sorry that this is so unstable, everyone. But yeah, now we just have an army of fucking seagulls at our command.
And 2 swans.
Yep.
One's swimming away.
Oh look. The youngling is coming towards us. He's confused.
You're like, what the heck? Oh, yep, they're just flying away. Slowly.
There we go. That'll be the thumbnail. I'm amazed at this camera zoom. Oh well. Yeah. Shall we go home now, human?
I don't know what to be.
We have no more offerings. We must leave. That is the law of the ducks. Or in this case, seagulls.
I prefer chicken.